Alrighty. Hello, hello. Welcome aboard to Spam Reveal number 12. As a reminder, the initial red flag for all of these emails is the catch-all described in this channel's description. Normally I just delete these invalid catch-all aliased addresses, but for the purpose of these videos, I'm actually previewing each one to see if there are any other flags that might stand out. The first flag in this email is Okay, I'm gonna start off with the from address. Just kidding. Oh, no, 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 my. We're actually gonna jump down here because I'm gonna have to admit that I was wrong about that previous big old red button being a bit nuclear. As AAA said, hold my beer. I mean, they got a small button, but that big old banner there definitely catch your attention. And then also, I mean, yeah, the from address is there too, as we've seen in just about every other video now. But then also, let's take a look back at the list here. The frequency of this email campaign is a bit staggering, although I can't say I've seen much worse. I last emptied this trash around the end of July. There's 44 emails in here. So coming in 2, 3, 4 times a day, about every 1 to 5 days. And all to the same outdated and invalid catch-all alias address. So yeah, 44 emails in a month, and they continue to come in daily, if not every other. And so that's kind of it for this one. Not much to it other than mostly the sheer volume of this spammer and that big old red header being about the size of Texas. But once again, thanks for watching.